Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm ready for a fantastic day and I'm standing in front of the Artistry Design District. This is a super beautiful apartment. You're gonna love it. And this is a part of our best apartment tour ever of the Artistry Design District. Now, I wanna talk to you a little bit about the area and kind of where this is. First of all, it's in the Heights. So it's on the very westmost part of the Heights. Some people might even call it the newer Heights, the new Heights, but it's on the westmost part. You can actually see the highway going north and south over there. That's how the very, very tip of the Heights it is. So the location would mean that you can quickly get in and out on the highway, and that highway over there is going north and south, and so that would lead to the Galleria. So this would be a great choice if you worked in the Galleria. Or if you work anywhere around there, also on 10. It's also close to 10 is the highway that goes east and west. It's down back here, maybe about 7 minutes or so. And that highway would split the Heights, the greater Heights and the lower Heights. So you're really close to get to that too. So if you still want to go to downtown, it's still doable with this location. And so this is kind of a little bit about the area. I do want to show off just the area too. This is very, very new. You can see this is just like a field over here. So there's no, like bad or good. It's just kind of a field. So it's very, very cool. It's definitely, I feel really safe around here also, by the way. Really, really important. And this is what it looks like over here too. Look at the apartments themselves. They've got some really nice exteriors. You got a really pretty balconies over here. They've got patios. They've got really attractive landscaping. So it's a really cute apartment. I think you'd really enjoy it. I like it. I like the look and I like the feel, and it's very well taken care of. Anyway, that's a little bit about this, and that's about the look and the feel, but also the area. Hey, we're gonna go inside now, and we're gonna start peeking at the amenities. We're gonna walk in that door right there, and just kind of walk around and show off this great place. Let's do that right now. If you have any questions at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below.